Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the romance novels that I am looking forward to for the summer. These are some authors that I'm familiar with, and some of these are authors that are completely new to me. But I'm looking forward to reading some of these and sharing my thoughts. So the first one on my list is From Scratch by Katrina Jackson. Never heard of her, and she's an independent author. And initially I'm like, okay. She wrote a book about a plus size character, and I'm always on the hunt for stories that have women who are, perky, plus size. So hopefully she doesn't disappoint me, because I am over the whole depressing fat girl books. So I'm hoping this one is different. The next one on my list is called Birthday Girl by Penelope Douglas, and I've been binge reading Penelope Douglas, and she is on a whole nother level. I'm definitely gonna do a video dedicated to the books I've read from her, and this will be like my fourth book for the year that I've read from her. And after I finish this book, I'm gonna review and talk more about her, because she's on a whole nother level. So look out for that. The next one is the Kiss Quotient by Helen Wang. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But anyway, this one is it's a popular one. I think this is the most popular one I have on my list. But what made me want to read it is not popular, because popular romance sometimes could be boring, but I just like the idea that one of the characters is artistic. And I never really read a book with someone that has autism. A romance novel that surrounds that, so I think this might be interesting, and probably hopefully it's not like too emotional. The next one on my list is You, Me, Everything by Catherine Isaac, and this one don't know much about as far as the author, but it's a family secret, some form of ex kind of relationship, child involved. So it seems like more of a family drama, but there's supposed to be some romance elements involved, so maybe a second chance kind of situation. We'll see. The next one is All Your Perfects by Colleen Hoover. I'm a big Colleen Hoover fan. I think I've read all her books that she's released in the last 4 years. So every summer when she releases a book, I read it. It's one of those authors, either you love or you don't. I'm a fan, so I'm definitely looking forward to that one. And that one doesn't come out till 17th of July. All the other books I've mentioned so far is already out, but this one is not until 17th of July. The next one on my list is The Naked Truth by Vi Keelan. And you know how I love me some guy Vi Keelan, so I'm all for this. Another boss romance, she's good at that, so yeah, I'm all for that one. And the last one I have on my list is Forget You, Ethan by Whitney G. And Whitney G is one of those authors that I didn't know much about, but I did read one of her books, I remember maybe 2 years ago, Turbulence, and that book was amazing. That was a romance that had with a pilot, and they were just one crazy couple, and went from this fun and no string attached and end up doing something else. I did a book review on that one, but I always want to know more about her and read more about her. But she is an African American author, and she doesn't have that many of her what she looked like out, or book events. I don't see her much, but she got a lot of books, and I know she's really good because based on the books I've read from her. So I'm looking forward to this one. And this one is a neighbor kind of romance, but it looked like it's like a childhood situation, and now they're adults. I'm all for that one too. So anyway, that one is towards the end of July, and that's the book so far that I'm hoping to get through for the summer. I mean, of course, this is not all going to be read in July, or just not. But it's definitely going to be read before the end of the summer. But as I read them, and if I feel like it, I might do a full review on here or on my blog. So we'll see. So thanks for watching, and there is going to be another video that I'm going to be doing where I'm going to put my most anticipated, because this is just based romance. There are going to be other books that, like especially my two most anticipated books for the year. I'm going to be able to do a video that's dedicated to those, and those two books don't come out till July as well. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Anyway, that is all I have for today, and thanks for watching.